Jim, you've got Nagsa in love with your craft. That's
Good
huge.
afternoon, everybody.
Ooh.
Most of my scenes actually were with Nagsa, and I loved it. He made me feel so comfortable and relaxed on set. He made me feel like, I was saying all my lines in Telugu, which I do not usually speak. So, and I was with one of the...
Mushkil tha, Jim?
Huh?
Mushkil tha?
To learn the lines? Yes, definitely. I had to really rattle them, you know.
Kuch yaad hai?
Huh?
Kuch yaad hai?
No. I don't want to give anything away, but yes. And Nagsa made me feel so comfortable, so relaxed, and I knew I was with such an enormous and talented star, and he never made me feel that at all. He made me feel like he was just another player in the scene, and we needed to do the scene as best as could possibly done. So thank you so much, honestly. Thank you.
That's a fanboy moment. What is the different take from when you do a film like this? Because it's huge, and yet it has its heartland in a very simple way. What was different for you playing this role and being a part of this magnanimous team?
Well, it always felt like an enormous film right from the beginning. When I got the what's it called? What did they tell you? Narration. When I got the narration from the team and Shekhar Kamula sir, then he pretty much said to me, "This is an author-backed role. You just do it." I was like, "Okay, all right, I'll do it."
Was it a challenge for you? Because you get into the skin of the character, like he said beautifully.
Well, the challenge, of course, was learning the lines because I don't speak Telugu, so that took a lot of time and effort. And I don't like the idea of saying a sentence where I don't know what each individual word means. So there was a lot of time spent there, doing a transcription, what each word meant, because it's not the same, right? In English, it can be like, how many are there? Whereas in Telugu, it would be like, many are there how? Something. So where do you put the how? At the end of the sentence, at the top of the sentence, So that took some time and some effort.
I'm going to ask you to pass that mic to Dalip ji, who seems to be like, he's gotten a new